How to read comments on threads. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Threads application right here. And once inside, you can just go ahead and locate the thread that you want to see the comments of. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on one of these photos right here. And once inside, if you go ahead and click on the comment button, it will not go ahead and show the comments for this specific thread. The way to go ahead and do that is by clicking on the date of the thread right here. So let's example, we have this one. You can just go ahead and click on the date of this thread right here. And from there, you can then go ahead and see all of the comments inside this thread. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.